Welcome back to Neng's Creations USA. We are out on a hike today. Such a nice fall day. We're down by Coralville Reservoir in eastern Iowa. And we're gonna blow and pop this yellow balloon. I don't know what this is in front of me. Some kind of strange fort someone put together. Getting big. Hope you don't scare too many deer. They'll think it's hunting season. Oh, holy smoke. That was so loud.
That's too loud. Now I'm gonna clean the balloon.
Yeah, that's good.
Pop and
Yeah,
clean
just
it.
clean everything
I'm gonna
up
clean
and
up.
leave the
More
place
fun.
just as we found it.
Hi guys, this is Neng's Creations USA. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.
Thanks again. See you next time.
Yeah.